Hide just one piece under your pillow and you will see shocking results from today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking, and if for my return subscribers, thank you guys for always turning up. Yes, as you can tell by the title, I want you to hide just one piece under your pillow and you will see the results. The results are going to shock you because this is more than just a spicy. It has so many spiritual benefits, and in today's video I'm going to review why you should hide it under your pillow and where exactly do you have to place it so that you receive shocking results. As we are approaching a month of Halloween, there is so many evil attacks, there is so many evil spirits that are exchanged within people, so you need to hide this under your pillow to avoid all that. So many evils are done, so if you want to drive away evil spirits from your house, from you yourself, you are going to need just one piece under your pillow, and trust me, there is no evil that will come next to you. Yes, this is more powerful when it comes to drive away evil spirits. And again, for those of people who can't sleep very well in the middle of the night, you're always having nightmares, you need to put just one piece under your pillow. The results are going to be amazing. And for those of people who want to attract love, okay, you are going to put just one under your pillow and you can write the affirmation of your choice, and trust me, your loved one or your soulmate, they'll be calling within the next few days. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing what are you going to hide under your pillow. Basically, what you're going to need is one garlic clove under your pillow and how you are going to insert it. I'm going to show you all that, so kindly watch this video until the end. Do not skip, otherwise you'll miss a lot of information. Okay, so guys, all you have to do is just to get one clove from this garlic. Okay, as you can see, just one clove. Okay, this, and insert it inside your pillow. If your pillow has a zip, open it and insert it inside. Trust me, you are going to see shocking results the next day. For those of people who have financial problems, you will be called to receive a job you have been praying for. And do not just insert this under your pillow and sleep. You have to say your affirmations, you have to pray and say your intentions. Sleeping with garlic under your pillow can speed up your prayers, whatever you are praying for. This is so powerful, so do not joke about it or do not joke about using it. All you have to do is to be clean and always have belief and faith. This is going to work for you in the mighty name of God. Yes, for those of people who want to attract love, you are praying for a specific person. All you have to do is to say your intentions and your affirmations. Write the name of your loved one on a piece of paper and fold it with garlic. Then put it inside your pillow. Then you have a good sleep. This is very powerful. And for the people who have nightmares, you can't sleep very well in the middle of the night, you're always waking up, you're always shouting, biting your teeth, let me tell you, all you have to do is to get just one clove of garlic. Just one clove of garlic. Hide it under your pillow, and before hiding it, you have to pray. Do not just sleep. Do not just put this under your pillow and sleep. No, you have to pray above it. And trust me, you will never have any nightmare again. You'll never have scary dreams, because this drives away evil dreams. It drives away evil attacks. There is nothing that is going to come and distract you from your sleep. All you have to do is just to use it. It's very powerful, and it has been used in ancient years, and right now it is still being used. For those people who have financial problems, you are working but you don't see any progress in your life, you always have problems, debts, okay, this under your pillow, pray with it and say all your intentions. Trust me, the results are going to be shocking. This is very powerful and it works like magic. Do not joke with garlic, and anything that I put here on my channel, I have tested it, I used it, and I've given it to so many people. So I want you to always come here and testify. For those of you who have used it and it has worked for you, do not just sit with a testimony. Okay, always come out and thank God for what he has done for you. Using these remedies, they are made with purpose of being used, and these remedies are very, very powerful. Always pray with them and your intentions will come true. Yes, they will come to pass. Okay, if you want to protect yourself against any bad luck, any bad spells, put this under your pillow. Trust me, if someone did a bad spell to you, that spell will be washed out completely. If someone wished bad luck to you, that bad luck will be sent back to him immediately, because garlic works like magic. This is what you have to put under your pillow, and you will see shocking results in your life, and you will see progress in your life. Yes, you can use garlic for protection, because garlic has been used for expectation powers to repelling and breaking evil spirits for years. A lot of people know this. I know some people keep it a secret, but if you know it, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video as helpful, kindly subscribe to the Golden Blossom channel and share it with your friends and tell them they hide it under their pillow and they will see shocking results. Yes. Also guys, I do not ask money for anyone, so please stay away from scammers and support this channel by sending me a super thanks. See you in my next video. Bye bye.